Hello creators! If you are planning to make an e-commerce website where the prices can be determined by calculation, based on formula for certain products, this video is exactly for you. You can achieve this goal simply by using a plugin that works very well with any theme, any installation, and of course we are using WooCommerce for our store website, and the plugin is called Price by Formula Calculator for WooCommerce. The main advantage of this plugin is it works with WooCommerce core. It is not like working as an add-on. So Price by Formula Calculator for WooCommerce is a state-of-the-art pricing calculator that customize product options for measurement and price calculation of complex products and services. Like, let me show you. So we created a website. So ignore the product name. So I'm just showing you the functionality, how it works. So it is live on my website. This is of course a demo website. So I am putting here the width and the length maybe, and the price is calculated. So once price is calculated, the visitor or the buyer can simply go for buying this product. So currently on this store, payment gateways or the complete checkout is not configured. So you can easily understand how it really works. Let me show you some more examples priced by formula. So like this is area based or the tile based. Like I'll show you some rules, and this is like tile based width and length and the box length, box required, total price. So it can be again calculated. So similarly, we have some more examples like wallpaper pricing table can be again done by simple formula. Like this is a wallpaper selling store, like let us assume, and we selected the color, required width and required length and the total measurement, and then checkout can be done. So this is a very common requirement, but the perfect and suitable way to make such e-commerce website is only one, I believe. So this is by Price by Formula Calculator of WooCommerce. So you can get this plugin officially from the woocommerce.com. I'm going to share the link with the video description, right? Okay, so it is going to be super easy to set up all these things. I'll take you to the backend. So this is the WooCommerce backend, and the price formula link can be seen here. Some demo has been shown here, and you can add new formula, new rules as per your requirement. So this is a simple interface where you have to select the field type, where you can either select the text area or radio button, whatever you may wish to add at your checkout page. The product display page. The field label, what you want to put, the field name, and all it is going to be calculated or going to be used wherever you want to calculate. The placeholder, the field price, and the field default value. So all can be used for calculations and parameters, like use sort code or all the details, configure formula options has been given clearly, very clearly here, and you just need to use simple formula. You don't need any developer support for doing all these things. So you can add new formula by, like this is the formula screen. You can either use one formula or multiple formula, subjected you are setting all the things correctly. So formula string can be the product price or the product label of the result, and the symbol, the set as prefix, or the display label and the display value and all. So this is a very simple and easy to use formula screen, and you can set endless formulas depending upon the product you are targeting to sell. And once you set up the formula, which is very easy, as I said, you can simply choose where to apply. Based on category, you can select the categories on multiple categories where you want to apply a specific formula. Like you can create multiple formulas, multiple calculations, and you can assign to category wise. So this is a simple application. You don't need to do anything on the product display page. The formula and the calculation will be directly applied to the category. So these are the categories, and here you can select once you are creating the formula. As I said, the feature and the calculation for the product pricing works with WooCommerce core. So this is the WooCommerce setting itself where you can do most of the things. So for the form setting, you can go for default styling, and it is a completely customizable form. So I must tell you, it may match your theme, color, and styling and all. So you can change the default styling or use your own. You can set the radius, border color, the background color, and the padding and all, whatever you want to use for your form and the setting. In the general setting, we have a high default quantity fields, and the show selected options pop up, the calculated results, cart and checkout page. So you can select the values which you wish to put at your product display or the checkout page. So it is very relevant and very easy to set up all these, and you, as I said, you don't need any developer support for doing all these things. And furthermore, just in case if you need any support, we are just a click away on the live chat, so a mentor can join you for implementing such great features at your WordPress, at your WooCommerce website. It is yes, and the joining is on the onboarding on the iCreate program is completely free, and I believe you know about this program. So if not, please explore the solutions, and also yours program is for you to give a complete digital success within 12 weeks. So you can explore the program details, and you can get in touch with the mentor here on the live chat, right? So I believe this can be a very good choice when you are willing to use dynamic pricing, calculated pricing, and since the plugin is officially available at WooCommerce store, so it is very popular as well, and the pricing you can see. So I must recommend to watch this video available on the price product listing itself, and I'm going to add the link, so I'm not going to repeat the things which is already available on YouTube. So right, and in the next video I'm coming with more solutions for you, no doubt. And till then, goodbye, keep watching, thank you. Explore the themes and wonderful features that you can use for your WordPress website on this channel. And if you need any specific feature, don't hesitate in contacting us on the iCreate program. We can develop new things, we can deliver new things, you can get the complete website, everything that you may need to launch your website to support your business can be availed at iCreate program. So let us meet. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.